What's more important, a summit or basic sanitation? In just under 3 months, the Zimbabwean government has managed to build luxurious villas and repair roads for the shiny SADC summit. Meanwhile, in Chitungwiza, a burst sewage pipe has been left untouched for over 2 months. This glaring contrast isn't just about infrastructure, it's about priorities. The government is rolling out the red carpet for international delegates while leaving its own citizens to wade through filth and disease. It's a tale of 2 cities, one polished for the cameras, the other neglected, with residents enduring the stench and health hazards of untreated sewage. The question is, how long will Chitungwiza residents have to suffer before their basic needs are met? Or is a glamorous summit really more important than the well-being of thousands? It's time to ask, where do the government's priorities lie? And at what cost? Stay informed, stay engaged, and let's hold our leaders accountable.